Hi, today we are playing Slither.io, and I'm gonna go wreck some noobs. And we're gonna name ourselves. Okay, and let's go play online. I think I'm gonna go try and beat that Mr. Krabs, and guy thing. Oh, and subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel. And I do like gaming videos, and I'm in the road for 1,000 subscribers because I really need that. Because that would make me so happy. I would do like a shout out to people that comment in their names. Like, yeah, and yeah, in yesterday's video we played Fun Run 2, and I was the worst. And everyone started trolling me. So I'm gonna try to eat that guy. He took mine. Why is it doing that? What the heck? What? Noobs. 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 I think I'm just gonna do one round because like I really don't have a lot of time. So yeah, we could say that we are wrecking all the noobs. Oh snap. Noobs. What the? What the? What the? Round 2. I'm small. It's just like if I'm going to win. If I will wreck all the noobs, like I did last round. Dang it! Do rage quit. I'm rage quitting now. Okay, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll do shout outs next video. Okay, bye.